I'm looking for the fastest and easiest way to sell my home, and I keep hearing one name over and over. So I asked people, why Grandview Homes instead of a real estate agent? So this is your mom's place?
Was, yeah. This is where I grew up, actually.
And you went with Grandview Homes instead of a real estate agent?
We needed to sell Mom's home quickly, and with a company we could rely on.
We settled on Grandview based primarily on reputation.
Was the house in rough shape?
Yeah.
She accumulated 50 years worth of stuff.
50, wow, that's a lot.
It was very convenient to just leave everything I did not want and not worry about it. They took out all the stress of cleaning and emptying the home.
That sounds pretty easy.
You know, no showings, no closing costs, no staging, no real estate agent fees, no added stress.
Call or visit grandviewhomes.com. We buy every home as is, and you'll get a fair cash offer in just hours. Grandview Homes, the easiest and fastest way to sell your home.